Matt Baker had been inundated with support following the death of one of the star's beloved animals. The former One Show host admitted his heart was broken as he shared the sad news on Instagram on Thursday, with his followers flooding the farmer with well wishes and messages of condolences. Posting to his Farm on the Hill account, based on the Channel 4 series documenting his family's farming adventures, Matt, 45, shared a collection of snaps of his late dog alongside the sad update. Captioning the pictures, he told his fans, "So sad, we've said goodbye to Isla, our oldest and smallest Cairn at 13 years. She was sweet-natured, kind, tough, fast as lightning, and a patient gentle mum. She was the one with the voice to let us know when they all wanted to be in or be out. We'll miss her #Cairn Terrier #dog lovers #friend for life." Matt then took to his personal Instagram account to comment underneath the update, writing, "The reason we love dogs so much is the only time they break our hearts is when they leave us." Steps singer Ian H. Watkins was one of the first to send Matt some love, telling the star, "Big hugs. I'm so sorry for your loss. I know what it's like to lose a family member. She will never leave your side, or your heart," one of Matt's fans wrote underneath the emotional post. "So very sorry to hear that. I'm certain she couldn't have had any better life than with you," another wrote, as a third added, "Think I had the pleasure of meeting her unexpectedly a couple of months back. So sorry for your loss, they are part of the family." Sending love 30. Former Blue Peter presenter Matt often introduces his animals to fans on social media, alongside documenting his family's farm life in a Channel 4 series. Matt Baker, Our Farm in the Dales premiered in 2021 and documented Matt's return to his childhood county of Durham to help his parents run the family farm. The 3-season series followed the star in running the farm's day-to-day operations following his mum's serious injury. Earlier this week, Matt announced a brand new show, this time based in America. Writing on Instagram, he revealed, "Tonight's the first episode of Travels in the Country USA, if you fancy a trip to rural America to meet some wonderful people doing incredible things, join me on More 4 at 9 o'clock. Thank you to More 4 and my wonderful team who've helped me to make this fantastic series. The heart of those on and off screen shines through X. If like me you are fascinated by the countryside of our beautiful world and its people, then this is the series for you. #Farmalife #countryside #USA #road trip at Channel 4 #television. Do you have a story to sell? Get in touch with us at webcelebs@mirror.co.uk or call us direct 0207 29 33 033.